Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Lee with a morning update. Today's video will be a bit quick. I've got to run. So, if the 5 of C is in, we are waiting for the retracement, for the correction. And if we do get another incremental pop, clearly then that would be where the wave 5 of C will likely be positioned. What ideally needs to be happening on the retracement is the breaching of the lower white trend line, as seen over here. Thus far, we have the overthrow. We may get another overthrow, but we have this overthrow, and that means that the next step is to breach this lower trend line. I believe re-entry could be made somewhere between, let's say, in the range of 9.5K to the 8.5K. 8.5 range I explained yesterday using the Fibonacci, and the other reason is because the CME gap still sits and remains unfilled at the 8.5K level. So that's what I'm considering now and thinking, but until this lower white trend line is breached, consideration for the re-entry level has to be on the side burner for now. The high definition Elliott wave labels that I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or could we get one more pop to, I have been saying ideally what I would like is a very long rise and a wick which shows that it was burnt up on a final film-based flame out would be most ideal to mark the position, the most ideal position of the wave 5 top. So again, I'm waiting for the white lower trend line to be breached to the downside. The first support area will be in the 9.8K, and then this area of maybe the 9.5Ks would be approximately giving me about a 1K delay entry if I entered here, okay? And then the 8.5K will be giving me a profit level re-entry. So I'm considering whether to set broad ladder re-entries of maybe quarter, 25%, and have additional lower 3 rungs. But I haven't really decided on that yet until I like to see it could get a confirmation of the lower white trend line breach. So as shown in this chart yesterday, that wave 5 completion should do a retrace to a minimum of somewhere in the 9K, 0.382. But likely it'll be the 0.5 to 0.618. But in this case, the color is yellow. The white yellow lower trend line needs to be breached to the downside on good volume as well. It was interesting to see yesterday this red volume bar peak above the volume trend line. So that's it for today. Let's see how it develops. So, and I haven't finalized or finally made any decisions on re-entry levels, but I am certainly considering it and putting it on the table of probables. Have a great day.